Pterodactyl here.
And Junior.
And Slippers.
And on March 13th, we hit 100,000 subscribers.
Woo! Yeah!
Right, yeah.
Thanks.
And YouTube sent us this beautiful play button.
Pretty cool.
How you like that?
So we want to show our appreciation to all you fans out here who have supported us through the years. And we're going to give away 3 beautiful prize packages.
Yep, 3 lucky winners.
Oh, I put them together myself too, so I hope you like them.
So this is how you enter to win. You have to be a subscriber to this YouTube channel, and you have to leave a comment on this video.
Hopefully a nice comment too, don't be a jerk.
So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe now.
All right, well, I'll be taking my award, so I'll probably see you guys out in the trailer.
You ain't taking this award.
What? Everybody's watching for me.
This is mine. It's a play button. Here, I got one of my videos queued up. Let's see if this thing works. This thing don't work.
I don't think that's how it works, Pa. That's just a plaque.
Gotta be able to put batteries in. It's a play button.
No. Alright, well, we're going to go show you those items that we're giving away now, and then we're going to draw the winners in about a week or so. So, here we go.
All right.
You hang this on the wall, huh? I thought it was a play button. Alright, I guess I'll hang it on the wall. Thanks, everybody! And there's our dinner. Woo! Prize package number 1 consists of a Husqvarna hat, a Right Standard t-shirt, a Taryl Fixes All t-shirt, koozie, Right Standard keychain, Taryl Fixes All keychain bottle opener magnet, Taryl Fixes All sticker, 26-ounce Stens insulated cup, a Adopt-A-Part, and a rotary pen. Woo! Prize package number 2, another insulated mug, koozie, sticker, rotary pen, Right Standard shirt, refrigerator magnet, bottle opener keychain, bush hog hat, Right Standard keychain, Taryl Fixes All shirt, and Adopt-A-Part. Woo! And package number 3. I feel like I'm on Let's Make a Deal. Taryl bobblehead, yes, yes! Adopt-A-Part, Vanguard hat, Taryl Fixes All shirt, Right Standard shirt, Right Standard keychain, Taryl Fixes All keychain bottle opener magnet, Taryl Fixes All sticker, koozie, and another rotary pen. Woo! So again, in order to win the prize packages or be eligible to win, you have to subscribe to this YouTube channel or be a subscriber, and you have to leave a comment on this video. And again, I want to thank y'all very much for supporting this channel through the years. We couldn't have done it without you. I'm glad you enjoy it. We've enjoyed making these videos. And there's your dinner. Woo! 3 prize packages!